guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun video for you guys. So I'm actually going to be sharing a company with you guys, and this company is all about snacking. So who doesn't like a good snack? So this is a snack subscription service, and the service is called Variety Fun. So Variety Fun is a snack subscription service. They are based out of New York. Variety Fun is a snack subscription service. So you can choose between a few different boxes. You can choose between the classic fun box, or you can choose the fit box. So inside of all their boxes are a ton of single served snacks, you guys. So inside of your box, you're gonna get so many snacks. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what is inside the fun box. So the fun box is $19.99, and there's a code below, FUN25, to take 25% off. So you can get this whole entire box for $14.99. You guys, this is crazy. So Scarlett and I already dived into some of these boxes last week, because it would not be a review if we didn't try some of the snacks out. So I'm gonna share with you guys what is left inside of our fun box, because we had such a good time snacking. So there are single serve potato chips. So we have some Lay's, Doritos, some Cheetos, we have some pop chips, we also have some Ruffles, we have some Funyuns. I haven't had Funyuns in forever. We have some Chex Mix. We also have some white cheddar Cheez-Its. Oh my gosh. We have hot fries. You guys, it just continues. We have some mini Chips Ahoy. Oh my goodness. We have some Ritz peanut butter. We got some Mother's cookies. We have some regular Cheez-Its. What else do we have inside here? We have some Grandma's peanut butter cookies. We also have some animal crackers. We also have some Keebler cookies. We have chocolate chip cookies. We have some Rice Krispie treats. We have some peanuts. We also have some fruit snacks. Oh, I did not see this. We have the Stroop waffle. I love these. Oh my God, that is mine. We have a granola bar. There are tons. If you haven't already noticed, it's just a variety of snacks. So this is gonna be perfect for if you're having like a birthday party. So my daughter's birthday party is gonna be coming up in June. Not everyone likes the same snacks, you guys. So just ordering one of these for a party is great, because it covers everyone's taste buds. You know, some like it sweet, some like it salty, some like it spicy, some like it hot. So the options are endless. Something else that would be really good is ordering this for someone going to college. Like, what college student wouldn't want a box full of snacks at their dorm? Like, I would. And something else, see, these are what we already dived into. So we ate these last week. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what's left in our fit box. So in the fit box, we have some pop chips. We also have some Dang coconut chips. We also have some popcorners. Oh, I love those popcorners. What are these? Pop chips. We also have some Beanitos. We have some Boom Chicka Pop. We also have some kettle potato chips in barbecue, my favorite. We have some fig bars. We got two different fig bars. We also got a chocolate peanut butter bar. This is gluten-free. We have some Cliff bars. Oh my goodness. We have another one of these waffles. These are mine. We got some peanuts. We got an RX bar. I've actually never tried those. And we have a Kashi bar. We have some organic fruit snacks. So you guys, tons of stuff. So what I'm actually gonna have Scarlett do is, Scarlett, come here. Come sit with mommy. Put your tablet down. Did you have a good time opening this box last week and having snacks?
Yeah.
So what I want you to do is, because we're going on a trip to Florida, so I want Scarlett to pick out her snacks that are gonna go in her airplane carry-on bag. So Scarlett, I want you to pick out all the snacks that you wanna take on the airplane to Florida. So I'm going to open this up. So it would be great if you're going on like a road trip. Scarlett, hand me your tablet. Let's turn it off.
It's okay, I did.
Turn it off.
Sorry, I think.
So this box will be really good if you're going on a road trip. So Scarlett, I want you to pick out your snacks that you want to eat on the plane ride.
Okay.
So you're going to pick your snacks out. So go ahead. And show us what you're going to pick. Show us what you pick. Okay, so she picked one already. She picked the Cheetos. Do you want to share everyone your pick? We have some Cheetos. Good choice.
And we have...
And she wants the Ritz peanut butter crackers. What else do you want to take on the plane?
I want to take...
This is great for her because she's able to be part of the process of picking out what she wants to eat in the plane.
There.
Okay, so we have Cheez-Its. She picked out Cheez-Its.
And...
She picked out Oreos. She also picked out Ritz Bits peanut butter, and she also picked out Cheetos. And what else, Scarlett?
That's it.
That's it? You don't want any Rice Krispies or an Airhead or anything else?
Those ones.
And a fruit roll-up? You want to pick out a fruit roll-up? Or you want the Airhead?
How about the Airhead?
Okay, sounds good. So she has everything set for her airplane bag. What about the animal crackers? You want these?
I like animal crackers.
Here, do you want to put these in your bag too?
Sure.
Okay, so her airplane snacks are all set. Now it's time to pick out Mommy's snacks. So I'm gonna take the Mother's cookies. I love those.
That's John's favorite.
Is that Uncle John's favorite?
Yep.
Should we let him look at this box?
Yeah.
And Mommy's going to take these little waffle cookies. And I think I get so nervous on planes, so your girl needs all the cookies. I'm gonna need all the cookies. And we got some salted peanuts. Okay, so I think Mommy's snack bag is all set. We got some peanuts and we got a bunch of cookies. So I think I will be set. So you guys, this is such a fun box. So like I said, if you're having like parties or if you are in charge of doing snack for any organized sports, just get one of these boxes because like I said, it's $14.99 if you use the code below, which is FUN25. It's not an affiliate link. I don't make a commission off of it. Variety Fun is just offering this code. So make sure you use that code below. It's FUN25. Can you say FUN25, Scarlett?
FUN25.
So get yourself a Variety Fun box and get the snacking started because we are snacky people up in this house. So I am someone who is a sampler. I love trying all different things. I do not want to just stick with the same thing. If you ask my husband, if we have a box of donuts in the house, I literally will take a bite of every single donut because I am a sampler. So this box is right up my alley. So thank you so much to the Variety Fun team for sending these boxes over to me. And let me know in the comment section below if you decide to order this because I think this is such a fun box to have. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and I will talk to you guys all later. You want to say bye, Scarlett?
Bye-bye.
Bye.